We're in for another beautiful evening across mid-Missouri as we close out our Wednesday. Our temperatures are going to be falling into the low 60s this evening. We're going to have mostly clear skies, but there's a chance we could see a spot shower or two in our western counties going into tomorrow morning. Other than that, it's looking like a bright but hot day as temperatures climb quickly into the upper 80s by afternoon. You'll see on our radar right now, things are fairly quiet. A couple of those storms out to our west might make it to our western counties overnight, but really going to be paying attention to Friday as our next cold front starts to approach the area. We're going to have plenty of moisture and that heat and humidity starting to build across mid-Missouri on Friday. As that cold front gets closer, we could see showers and thunderstorms develop out ahead of that towards late afternoon and evening. So I'll show you down in the future track going into tomorrow morning. We're quiet. Most of our day is just bright and hot. We're going to see highs in the upper 80s tomorrow. And going into Friday, we start off warm and muggy. By afternoon, most of us get into the low 90s. Some of those storms start to fire up to our north and will continue to slide south, but lose a little steam as they approach the I-70 corridor going into Saturday morning. And over the weekend, we'll continue to track chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Our severe weather threat on Friday is a level 1 out of 5 for areas here in green. Areas south of Highway 50, I'm not expecting any severe weather. If anything we have left over on Saturday morning will start to be dissipating by that time. Most of the severe threat will be in the afternoon and early evening just to our north on Friday as a line of storms gets going near that cold front. Our heat index is going to be going up over the next several days. However, it's going to feel more like the upper 80s to around 90 tomorrow afternoon. And by Friday, feeling like about 95 to 96. With those storms on Saturday, it's going to feel like about 90, but we ramp that heat right back up into Sunday. It's going to feel like 95 to 96 once again. Here's our ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. It's going to get more active, more summer-like here over the next several days. Tomorrow is hot with highs in the upper 80s, and we're going to really be dry for most of the day, but I'm expecting chances of storms to increase by later on Friday afternoon into the evening and continue into Saturday as we have that heat and humidity around. Feeling like the 90s all weekend. Going into next week, it looks like we're going to hang on to the storm chances for at least Monday and Tuesday and definitely have the heat and humidity sticking around with highs staying in the upper 80s.